Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, what's going on? Troy Rawlings here. Real quick, I have been doing networking events for the past 30 years. And people, if you know me, you know I love doing networking events. I love bringing people together, especially business people together to meet other business people, achieve their goals. But I have never done anything as radical and as immediately effective as the event that we're doing on Wednesday, November the 25th, 7 a.m. West Coast time, Pacific, 10 a.m. on the East Coast, Near. The event is called Near. And shout out to my business partner and close friend, Deborah Simmons. We were at an art gallery in Abbot Kinney in the Venice Beach area. And I came up with the concept of Near during quarantine, during COVID, event where people could come out, smaller groups, and be very immediately effective and to reach a certain group of people. And as it evolved, Near became not just networking, entertainment, arts. It became networking, engagement, action, and relationships. All of the things that I am serious about when it comes to consulting in business, networking in business. People know I came to Los Angeles, California in 2008. I started doing networking events, first Sunday dinner gatherings, turned into a first Sunday barbecue at the Blue Room, turned into live shows and concerts and events and much bigger events. And I've been on this social media thing since 98. So putting all that stuff together, I realized that we had to do something as radical as the times were, as hardcore as the change is that COVID-19 is causing, and quarantine and businesses are shutting down and restaurant industry, people with all of, we have to strike back just as hard. So Near is for you, the business owner, you, the entrepreneur. It's an early morning event if you're here. Either way, 7 a.m., November the 25th, Wednesday, if you're on the West Coast, 10 a.m. on the East Coast. Here's what's going to happen. Just imagine having 9 businesses, 9 people, 9 entrepreneurs that you don't know pushing your product at the very least. There are 3 main components. One of the 3 things I want each person, each business to do for another business in this call, in this workshop that we're going to be doing on Zoom. One of the things is you can see a business or someone you want to support and you can purchase their service or their product. That's pretty simple. Or you can give an immediate solution. Number 2, 1, you can purchase a product or service from the entrepreneur or business. 2, you can give an immediate solution, something they can do today, that Wednesday. Or 3, at the very least, you can share this person's business flyer on all your social media or on your targeted social media or your most used social media. It is the most effective way, I thought, of activating some people who have been spinning their wheels on some key things, especially if you haven't chosen your product or service that you're going to be promoting through Black Friday, through Cyber Monday, which is also called Cyber Weekend. Get involved. I only have 8 spaces left. Okay? And including some of my business partners who are going to be on the call right now. You can DM me, inbox me wherever you are, and get the information RSVP. There's a $5 admin fee. That's the lowest we're going to ever make this event. $5 admin fee. I am the administrator, I'll tell you more. If you're serious, I'll tell you more about what you need to do to be a part of the Near virtual networking business workshop experience, okay? DM me, or you can email me at troy@dlpconsultinggroup.com. That's troy@dlp, D as in David, L as in Larry, P as in Paul, dlpconsultinggroup.com. Or you can just go to dlpconsultinggroup.com if you want to see a bunch of our full services. But hit me up. I want to see you at Near. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.